Hello, friends! Today we will learn alphabets in an easy way. You see what happens when we rotate a W. The W becomes M. Wow! We have learned two alphabets now. There are other similar alphabets. We will use a pencil and a donut to learn them. Are you ready? Okay, let's start with the first one. See how by attaching the donut to bottom right side of the pencil, we get small b. That's magic number 1. Okay, let's move to magic number 2. When we attach the donut to the upper right side of the pencil, we get small p. How easy, isn't it? Do you know what we will get when we attach the donut to the lower left side of the pencil? Yes, we will get small d. That was magic number 3. And now time for magic number 4. Let's move the donut to the top left side of the pencil. Now we get small q. Okay, let's revise the concepts. See how the small b looks like with pencil and the donut. Next is small d with donut on the left lower side of the pencil. When we put the donut to the top right side of the pencil, we will get the small p. When we put the donut at the top left side of the pencil, we will get small q. Okay, let's write and practice. Let's write small b first. Small b. Okay, let's write small d next. Small d. Let's write small p next. Small p. Now let's write small q. Small q. Now let's write capital W and capital M. Well done! So we have learned an easy trick to remember and write alphabets. Thanks for watching.